Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. I am barista Ali. You watching Ali Blogs and Cafe. Today I will show you how to set calibration from Black Eagle Victoria Arduino. Guys, if you have Victoria Arduino White Eagle machine, so that machine also same process, no anything changing, same process. So let's start this video. So guys, first I will take espresso in portafilter 0. I use 18.3 grams. So guys, I'm using Victoria Arduino Black Eagle machine. So first go to the menu, then scroll the second one, program doses, tap, then scroll, tap here, scroll, tap. See, now this all switch blinking. Then put portafilter into the group, take measure cup, then scale 0 0. So I will set 38 ml for latte cappuccino. So I will double tap here. When my 38 ml complete, so I will press this switch. See, I tap here, time 25 seconds. So this is calibration complete. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so please like my video, and if you have any questions, so please comment and share, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Masalam.